Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got a windscreen on the ZX10R and a key component package just arrived so we can finally start reassembling the bike. Let's crack it open, show you guys what it is. All right, as you can see, here is the broken connector, here's the new connector. I'm simply just swapping the leads over from one side to the other. Essentially, how all connectors work is there is a locking mechanism for the leads, this white piece which is broken, that secures the leads in place. Once you remove that, able to access that little plastic tab on top right there. Now that that little tab is up, the lead comes right out and I'll swap it into the new connector. Here's the last lead from the broken connector. Bye-bye. And into the new connector it goes, right in the spot. Boom. Click, and then push this white tab in to secure the leads. All right, we got that radiator fan situated. It was rubbing on the radiator, just had to bend those metal brackets a little bit. We also got one of those harness connectors fixed, but I'm a fool and I forgot to order the other side. But that's where this package comes into play that you just saw. It's a used harness from a ZX10R. And I think in here as well is that radiator pipe that was bent in the last video. So let's crack open this box, take out that harness, swap out the connectors, and then final assembly on the front of the bike. Here's the last pin from the broken connector. Boom. And we have one final spot on the new connector. Let's slide her in. There she goes. Click. Now for the final piece. Just like on that other connector, this white piece is what locks those tabs in place. Right in there. There we go. These two connectors are fixed and ready to plug in. Then over here, we have the OEM Kawasaki shroud that goes right above the head, which protects all the wiring from the front radiator. So let's slap this piece on, which takes care of all the wiring behind the radiator. We are finally getting all the wiring and coolers in place. This tube is actually brand new from Kawasaki, and the one you're seeing on a bike is a used one, and it doesn't fit up right. So I'm glad I got the new one from Kawasaki. Let's throw it on the bike, put some fluid in her, see if she'll fire right up. I should have got green, but I already started putting blue in it. Shoot me. All right, let's get her up to temp. Dead battery again. Oh. All right, now for real. I'm overflowing. Ah! All right, let's get that garage open. We got the door open and it was overflowing there for a second. I think some air bubbles are coming out now. All right, hopefully she starts again. Oh, wow. She's at 129, raising fast. Still got plenty of fluid in here, and we'll fill up the reservoir in a minute. Check out this throttle though. That sounds good. 156. Can it please be springtime yet? That sounded amazing. The fluid level is full. That's good to go. Radiator is full. Got nice and hot. That fan turned on twice, right at 200. Also, I'm curious why the wheel stopped spinning, because at the beginning it was spinning a bunch, but now it's not. This exhaust sounds so good. Well, the bike runs flawlessly, gets up to temp. Everything's working, nothing's wrong. The engine light, I think, is for the O2 sensor that I unplugged. Let's start unboxing these fairings, slap them on the side of the bike. The right side of the bike is coming along fantastic. It looks so good with that green. We've got the belly fairing and the side fairing plus a few other cowls, and then the right side of the bike will be completed. Man, that green and black combination looks so good. We have the right side fairings completed except for the tank area and the seat, as I'm leaving that off for now. Got a lot more work to do on the left side before I can put the fairings on completely. But man, I am looking forward to it. And hopefully a test drive just around the corner. Plus we have that Brent Tuning Stage 2 flash to do on this bike before it really opens it up. That's gonna be it for tonight, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. See ya.